mengajarkan kalian. Ini dasar tari Sulawesi Selatan, Makassar, Bugis, Manda, and Toraja. You know?
Yeah.
And this for Bugis ethnic, for Paduppa dance. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I really loved the dance. I haven't really done a lot of dancing before, so it was really fun to get to try something new and be able to learn about just a dance of South Sulawesi.
I love the dance. I've never danced before at home, so learning it and then learning something specific to this culture I thought was really fun and I really enjoyed it.
I thought the dance was a lot of fun. It was really cool to learn. I really liked when we learned about what each move.
I loved learning it. It was very cool to hear about the history behind it and the traditions that surround it, so that it's very beautiful and graceful.
Probably the hand movements.
I would say that the most challenging part was the hand movements.
Probably the hand movements. They were very difficult and detailed. I had a hard time.
Is the footwork, like what they were doing with their feet. I think that part was kind of harder to get down, especially while I was trying to do just like the other parts. Paduppa.
Paduppa.
I feel like they're really cool.
I thought the moves were beautiful and graceful. They were smooth, and parts were slow and parts were more fast. So I liked the differences in different parts of the dance.
They're very graceful, and I love like the hand movements. They're so I just think they're very beautiful. Oh, the sarum. I love the sarum. It's very beautiful.
Have you worn it before?
I have worn a sarung before, but not one with this many colors.
I love the sarung. I have worn a sarung before, but not one like this. So it's very colorful and beautiful. So yeah, I like it.
I have worn sarung, not to dance in before, but I have worn it.
I love the sarung. This one is the most colorful one that I've ever worn.